Hello everyone. In this video, I want to explain for you how it's possible to generate blog content for your WordPress website using AI. In this video, I will show you how to install and use DelsaPrompt, which is a Gutenberg blog plugin that connects your site to OpenAI models like GPT-4. Whether you're a blogger or developer, this tool can save you time and boost creativity. Let's dive in and get it running in under 5 minutes. I can say that this is just the beginning, and there are a lot of features I plan to add to DelsaPrompt. But if you have ideas, want to improve it, or spot any bugs or security issues, feel free to fork the repo or open an issue on GitHub. I welcome contributions and we can build this together. All right, let's jump in. As you can see, you can go to this repo, which I leave it in the caption of this video. And you can simply go to your WordPress plugin and clone this repo, or if you want, you can just download this repo here and extract it in a Delsa prompt directory inside your plugin. Now, after that, um, you after you install the plugin, you can go simply to the plugin section of your WordPress website, and you will see this Delsa prompt here. And again, it's a Gutenberg block that allows users to interact with OpenAI's API using custom prompt and settings like temperature, maximum token, and top P. Future versions will support RAG and knowledge base integration. So you can simply activate that. And after you activate the Delsa prompt, you have to go to the settings here and click on Delsa prompt. And as you can see, you can add your OpenAI API key here. So you have to go to the OpenAI dashboard and get your API key and just insert it here and save the change. After that, you can go to the post section or the page section, whichever you desire. Let's create a new post together here. So I want to add a new post here, and it will be AI generated post. And as you can see, if I click on this add block here, I'm gonna see the Delsa prompt, and you can easily click on that. And let's try a prompt together. For example, let's ask what were the most uh, groundbreaking new tech. Do I have any special technologies or innovations in 2024, and how are they expected to impact the future? That's it. And as you can see, you have access to different settings for your prompt. You can adjust the temperature, you can adjust the maximum token, top P, and you can change the model, which is a very interesting and cool feature here. So and as you can see, if I increase the maximum token, I will have a longer response here. So let's just set it to something like that in the middle and generate a response via GPT 3.5. And as you can see here, the OpenAI generated this response for us based on this prompt and with GPT 3.5 turbo model. And if you save this and open the post, you will have access to this content. Another cool thing about this plugin is that you can generate different responses with different models and just compare them together. So Let's increase this maximum token. Let's, for example, choose this GPT 4.5 mini and then generate another response. And as you can see, it generates a more comprehensive response for us here. And we can save it and we can refresh this page and we have access to this content here. So right now, as you can see, you don't have access to edit this, but this is a coming soon feature that I'm gonna release that in a couple of days. And after that, you will have access to edit this response. And because I think that it's something that you need, that we can't just save whatever that LLM will generate. So you definitely need this response, and I'm gonna release that in a couple of days. Don't worry about that. Now let's generate another. Uh, let's add another block here, and this time I want to ask, explain Python classes with a couple of examples for me, and then generate. And as you can see, when the AI generate a code base section like that, we just um, it will be displayed like this. And if I save this and go to my post and refresh that and scroll down, you will see that it's like that. If you want to make it more pretty and more colorful, so I suggest that you can go to, let's go to the dashboard to show you. There is a cool plugin named Prismatic, and you can activate that. And after you activate that, you can go to setting and you just can select different libraries here. You also have access to different settings here, which you can play around them. So let's see what is the difference between them. So at first I'm gonna choose this one, save, and if I go to my post and refresh, you will see that it will be displayed like this. And if I change it to this library, you will see that like this. So it's up to you that which one you want, or if you don't want to use any extra library for that. As you can see, this plugin is not completed yet, and I just published that because of the training purposes. So feel free to fork it and contribute to complete that. And I will add more features in the next weeks to this plugin, and probably create another video for that to inform you about the new updates. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Have a good one.